Hello and welcome to Endeavor Solutions Business Central Information Mini-Series on the benefits of a unified platform. Marvin, can you review the attributes of a sales quote made on Business Central?
And it's created a sales quote. So my first step was to say, I want to create a sales quote. It's made some suggestions for me, and it's opened this up and it's already populated the line items on the sales quote. So this business intelligence has reduced the number of clicks and even the effort that has had to go in to create a level of accuracy. So the customer has also indicated that there's an attachment. So you'll notice that there's an attachment for these office items in his email. So what I can do here is I can actually click on the ellipse once again, and I can click on attachments because maybe I want to bring these attachments from that email forward into this quote. So click quickly and easily enough, I can click on attachments. And when I click on attach files, it's going to give me the option to do a couple different things. I can either attach from an email or upload the file. So from this, easily enough, I'm just going to attach from the email. I'm just going to go OK here. So you're seeing office items. It's a Word doc. It's pulled it in. It's recognized it. They're working together. Everything's getting pulled together for me. So I'm just going to hit close here. So it's actually brought this attachment attached to this document. I've got the sales quote created. So this is actually reducing the amount of work and effort that someone needs to do. I'm going to jump over to Business Central now for a second. So let me just minimize my Outlook. I got Business Central open in the background. So I've got real-time data happening here as well. So what that means is that quote that I just created has actually increased my sales quotes. So prior to actually creating that quote, I had 2 sales quotes sitting in the pipeline. I've now got 3, and I can click on the sales quote here and you can see that this was added. All that information that was apparent or brought forward from that quote is now directly brought in. Okay, so from here, I'm actually going to drill back on this quote, and you're seeing a couple really great things happening. First of all, it has actually pulled them out. They've said items 1908, 1920, the chair, and the conference table, quantity 7 and 2, and it's built out a quote for this customer. The other thing that's great is I can see up in this top right corner here, I've got some attachments. So remember I'd embedded those attachments in Outlook, it's brought them forward. You can see here when I go back into my one here, there's my attachment. So that's the images that were being brought forward. So I've jumped into Business Central just to demonstrate this. I didn't need to though because I was living in Outlook and everything was done in Outlook.
Thanks, Marvin. What a great overview of creating a sales quote with Business Central. Well, stay tuned for our next episode on sending a quote through email with Business Central.